morning. This is San Diego on Monday, and I'm going to be talking about how I have been using my YouTube channel to really understand my clients. Now, to be honest, I'm actually getting my clients through Facebook because it's easier for me to find them. It's more enclosed, when you have um, the circle of friends that are potential clients. It's easier to find them and to follow their actions and what they're dealing with. However, I use my YouTube channel as a gateway to narrow down on my niche and to really understand what my potential clients are dealing with. And when I figured that out, I realized, holy, these are what my clients are actually saying. And also I've had a lot of sample sessions about with coaching, business coaching, and they are mirroring what my clients are saying. I just didn't know how to address it way back then. So let's start from the beginning, and it's not about YouTube at all. In the very beginning, I was thinking about my potential clients. And then my dreamed clients. My dream clients, my ideal clients, are basically mom entrepreneurs, and right now it's obviously all online because of what's happening in COVID, and also online is something that I'm more familiar with because I am, let's say, a trained software engineer, and that's where I made bulk of my money is in computers. Now, so let's go back to my I dream client is working moms. And if you don't know, it's probably more like I am my own ideal client. So what when I'm thinking of my ideal clients, I'm thinking what are the three problems they're dealing with? Like imagine a pain island and there's a pleasure island, and I am the vehicle. And I'm using myself as my own dream client and really get connected with what's my dream clients are dealing with. So when I'm thinking about what they're dealing with, after three problems that they're wanting fixed, is really create an online presence that really sells. That really means that when they're doing their work, that actually the work they're doing is actually creating results. And another thing is about working moms that deal with is really having that guilt feeling, and that is, a guilt feeling could be many things. For me, it's a guilt feeling of that I'm not good enough. If I am a working mom trying to build my business, then I'm thinking that I'm not good enough to also manage uh, raising a family as well. And then another aspect is really balancing the needs of the family. For me, I really think self-care is really important because I truly believe that if you don't have your health, then you really can't be around to be around for people. And it's almost like the gas mask in the airplane, right? When it falls down, you put the gas mask on yourself, put your gas mask before you put a gas mask on a child or someone else. Well, it's the same thing with self-care. However, I have been using my YouTube channel to focus on those three pain structures. Online presence that sells, balance the needs of family, and the guilt feeling. And from the even though my channel is really, really young and really I only have 20 subscribers, however, it's enough. I get enough data to understand that there are certain things that click that gets more views, and certain topics that get more views. And so what I've found using my YouTube channel, where I just notice that, hey, when I talk about technology, it seems to be, especially when I'm specific with technology. If I'm talking about Facebook Live videos, as, as I'm getting more traction as opposed to going something bigger like social media content. So I'm going through the rabbit hole and trying to narrow down what my ideal clients are facing. And yes, it's great that my ideal clients do have the guilt feeling, do have uh, the unable to schedule in self-care. However, what's really, really, really important to my ideal clients is that if they're not making the money, if they're not selling their products or services online, then it's really, really hard to buy the organic products or the organic supplements for self-care, or to actually spend that quality time with family. And it's hard to go out to a restaurant with if you can't pay your regular bills. And so that's how I have been able to narrow down and focus and use my YouTube channel, just see what actually is what videos is gaining more popularity and all that stuff. And so for me, I have been so grateful that I have been able to use two social medias, Facebook just to find my ideal clients and talk to them. And I now know that when I was talking to my potential clients, and I've lost some clients, and I do have some clients as well, where they all say the same thing, that they don't know how to scale, like either they don't know how to market themselves online, or they've got to the point where they've gone really well, but they can't get to the consistent six figure. And that's all about online presence. It's about scaling up in when you're just starting, and scaling up when you have been around the business for a long time, maybe 10 or so plus years or whatever. And using my YouTube channel, I've been able to just to see how my videos are being viewed in the first 24 hours. I can see, hey, this topic really is getting traction, even though my ideal clients on YouTube are not people who are viewing my YouTube are not necessarily my ideal client, but however, my ideal client is a subset of my viewers. People who are going to view my YouTube channel are actually entrepreneurs, and so they might, and in part of that entrepreneur subset would be working mom entrepreneurs. So I hope you actually like this video, and if you do find this video useful, please press the like button. But if you actually find this video on YouTube, I really love it if you actually like and subscribe to my channel. And I can't believe that I actually was able to figure this out with only 20 subscribers. I'm competing with like subscribers who are channels who have tens of thousands of views and hundreds of thousands of views. And I am finding that, hey, you know what? This works for even small people like me who just started doing online biz coaching, just sometimes after the pandemic was happening. So yeah. All right, thank you so much.